Welcome everyone. In this video I will show you how to download and install VMware Pro Workstation. That's a tool where you just can create some virtual machines, etc. So let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is we go to Google and enter VMware Workstation. You can either click this link or this one, it doesn't matter, it will bring you to the same exact destination, I would say, but let's take this one. Let me allow my cookies and just click on download now. If you have a Windows, Linux, doesn't matter, you can just click here, and then you will see that you need an account. You need an account to continue. If you don't have an account, you can click here and register for one, or you can just log in. I will show you quickly how to register. To make things faster, I will create a 10-minute mail. That's just an email, a temporary email. If you don't want to connect it with your personal email, you can just take the temporary email, and then you come here and enter the captcha. I hope I have it correct this time because these captcha are so difficult sometimes. Then you go next. Let's wait for the email. It will be here in 2 seconds. Just copy the code and just paste it in here. Verify and continue. Just enter your name. I want to say NG Tech. Accept, create account. I wanted to do this later. Okay, now you already have an account, and then you can just log in with the same 10-minute email or your own account, own email address. It doesn't matter which works better for you. Wait. Let me log in. Save. Great, now you already have your account. Okay, just click on next, done. Then we go straight to my downloads, and then you see free software downloads available here. I'm gonna just click on it. Then you go straight below to VMware Workstation Pro. Here you can see the versions for VMware. You can, if you have Windows, you can either choose to download the VMware Workstation Pro 25H2 for Windows or the 17.0. You can choose which one, doesn't really matter. This is the newer one, but this is the more stable version. But let's go for the newer. It doesn't matter, it will do the exact same thing. I currently have the 17.0 on my computer, but I will just go ahead with this one. Click here. Then you of course have to agree with the terms and conditions. You see, you cannot, they want you to read everything. Just click on notice. But guys, read everything. Then you go back, and yeah, now we can download the VMware Workstation Pro for Windows. You go here. Prior to download this file, additional verification is required. Yes. And then you need to enter your address. Great. The download is already finished, and then we can go ahead and then we will continue with the installation of this program. Continue, accept, next. Hyper-V is not detected on the host virtual machine will run using VMware's hypervisor. That's great. You can change the location where you want to save the installation file or your program, but I will just leave it at default. Just works better for me. Check for product updates and startup. You can either on box on ticket or tick, doesn't matter. Next, because I already told you guys I have the 17.0 version, so for me I will have the upgrade button, but if you don't have the program on your PC, you will see install instead of upgrade. So for me, I will just click on upgrade, and for you guys, just do install. Great, the installation is already finished, and then you can just click on finish, and let's open the program. So the download is already finished, everything is working well. If you want to create a virtual machine, you can just click here on new machine and etc. I will also create more videos where we will install other virtual machines like Windows 11, Zabbix, Linux, firewalls, everything. So subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a good day, guys. See you.